Make some noise. Here we go. Capacity crowd here in Sacramento looking to see their River Cats win it all. And there it is. A big River Cats victory tonight, May 28th, 2024. The crowd of hundreds on their feet for their River Cats. It's electric, I tell you, electric here in those stands. The fans, they're all here. Cats win, baby. Cats win. Nobody's leaving their seats. Nobody's leaving their seats.
That's it. Let's take a look at tonight's final score. The Rainiers have 3 runs on 11 hits and 2 errors. Your Sacramento